Good morning everybody, welcome to our channel Maths Room. Today's video we are going to start exercise 6a and chapter 6, that is operations on algebraic expression. So question number first is 8ab comma minus 5ab comma 3ab comma minus ab. So firstly who are in plus we will write, so 8ab and here comma means the sign of comma means plus 3ab and here is minus, so we have minus 5ab and here is minus ab. So when we will add them, 8 plus 3, so 8, 9, 10, 11 ab and minus minus plus, but the sign will have minus, so minus because minus sign is greater, minus 6ab. So when we will minus them, it will come 5ab. We will write plus 5ab because the sign of plus is greater. So 5ab is our right answer. Let us start. Now question number 2, that is 7x comma minus 3x comma 5x comma minus x comma minus 2x. So firstly who are in plus we will write, so it is in plus 7x and here comma 5x means plus 5x and there is no plus, so we will write in the group of minus. So here is minus, so minus 3x minus x and minus 2x. So here we will add them because the sign of there is add, so 5 plus 7 is 12x. And minus minus plus, but the sign of 2 will be minus, so minus 4x minus 2x. So plus minus minus, so it will be 9x minus 2x. So here plus minus minus, so here will be 6x and 6x is the right answer. Now question number 3, that is 3a minus 4b plus 4c comma 2a plus 3b minus 8c comma a minus 6b plus c. So firstly they are who are in like term we will write first. So 3a, where is 3a? There is 3a and where is 2a, means comma means plus 2a and again where is this? Here is plus a and now we will write of b. So minus 4b and here is plus 3b. Here is minus 6b. Now the term is to write of c, so plus 4c and where is c? Minus 8c and then plus c. So now we will add over a. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6a. Minus plus minus. So here the minus sign is greater is minus b, minus 6b. We have plus minus minus is minus 4c plus c. So here 6a minus minus plus and the sign of minus is greater, so minus 7b and here minus plus minus, so minus 3c is the right answer. Now question number 4, that is 5x minus 8y plus 2z comma 3z minus 4y minus 2x comma 6y minus z minus and 3x minus 2z minus 3y. So firstly we will write in like term. So 5x and here is x means minus 2x and where is x? There is minus x and plus, here and means plus, so plus 3x and then minus 8y. We will write a term of y, 8y and here minus 4y, here comma means plus 6y here minus 3, and we will write of z. So plus 2z. Where is z? Minus z, minus 2z. Now plus minus minus. So here will be 3x. Now firstly we will add this while in add. So 5x plus 3x, it will 8x. And here minus minus plus, for the sign will of minus, minus 3x. And here also y, plus 6y there is only 1, so plus 6y. And here minus minus plus, but the sign will of minus 8 plus 4, 8, 19, 11, 12y. And here, so here minus 15y, and here plus 2z minus 2z, it means they will cancel. And plus 3z minus z means plus 2z, because the sign of plus is greater. And here plus minus minus, and the sign of plus is greater, so plus 5x. And here plus minus minus, so minus 9y. And plus 2z is the right answer. Now question number 5, that is 6ax minus 2by. Question number 5, that is 6ax minus 2by plus 3cz, comma 6by minus 11ax minus cz and 10cz minus 2x minus 3by. Firstly we will write of x, then by, then 3cz. So 6ax, where is ax? There is minus 11ax, and then here is x. So minus 2ax, and by, minus 2by plus 6by, here minus 3by. And 3cz we will write, so plus 3cz. Where is z? Minus cz. Here is add, and means plus 10cz. And here we will add them. 6, sorry, there is only 1 6, so it will 6ax. And minus minus plus, but the sign will of minus 11 to 13 ax. And minus, here is minus, so minus minus plus, but the sign will of minus 5by, and plus 9 plus 6by. And here z, plus, so plus 13cz minus cz. So here plus minus minus, so here will be 7, minus sign is greater, so minus 7ax. And minus plus minus, so there will be plus sign is greater, so plus by. And plus minus minus, but the sign of plus is greater, so plus 12cz is our right answer. The values given, so we will write of x cube. 2x cube, and here is plus 7x cube, and here is minus 4x cube, and x square. Minus 9x square, here is plus 3x square, and here is minus 5x square. And here is x minus 6x, here is minus 10x, and here is plus 2x. Here is plus 8, and here is minus 5, plus 1, plus 3. Now solve them. 7 to 9, 9x cube minus 4x cube. And minus plus minus, but the sign will of minus, because minus sign is greater. minus 6x square minus 5x square. And here minus minus plus, for the sign of minus 16x plus 2x. Plus minus minus, for the sign of plus. Plus 3 plus 1 plus 3. And here plus minus minus and sign will of plus. Because plus sign is greater, so here will be 5x cubed. Minus minus plus, for the sign will of minus 6 plus 5 11x square. And here minus plus minus, sign will of minus 14x. And here 3 3 6 1 7 plus 7. So 5x cubed minus 11x square minus 14x plus 7 is the right answer. Now I am going to solve question 7. Question number 7, that is 6p plus 4q minus r plus 3 comma 2r minus 5p minus 6 comma 11q minus 7p plus 2r minus 1 and 2q minus 3r plus 2. So firstly we will write of p. So where are p? Here is 6p and here is minus 5p and here is minus 7p. So p value is in and we will start off q. Plus 4q, here is plus 11q and here is plus 2q. And here is r, minus r plus 2r, here is also plus 2r and here is minus 3r. And now r value is written and here is plus 3 minus 6 minus 1 plus 2. Plus minus minus, so here will be 6p minus 5p, here will be p because plus sign is greater, and minus 7p, here they all q are in add, so we add them. So 4q plus 11q plus 2q means plus 20q. And here plus 2r plus 2r plus 4r. Minus 3r minus r minus 3r. Minus minus plus, for the sign will of minus 4r. And here plus minus minus, for the sign will of minus, because minus sign greater, minus 3 minus 1 plus 2. And here p minus 7p is minus 6p because minus sign is greater here. Plus 20q and plus 4r minus 4r will cancel. And here minus 3 minus 1 will be plus, but the sign will be minus 4 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 will also cancel. It means our answer will be minus 6p plus 20q is the our right answer. Question number 8, that is 4x square minus 7xy plus 4y square minus 3 comma 5 plus 6y square minus 8xy plus x square and 6 minus 2xy plus 2x square minus 5y square. Firstly we will write of the top. So 4x square and here is plus x square and here is plus 2x square and here is minus 7xy, here is minus 8xy and here is minus 12 and here is plus 4y square and here is plus 6y square and here is minus 5y square. Here is minus 3, here is plus 5, here is plus 6. add them. 4, 1, x is means 1, we minus minus plus, and here minus minus plus means they will all it will add it, but the sign will have minus. There is 20xy, and here plus 10y square, and here is minus 5y square, and here is minus plus minus, for the sign will have plus 2 plus 6, and here 7x square minus 17xy plus minus minus, for the sign will have plus 5y square plus 8 is our right answer. Question number 9. We are starting subtract. That is 3a square b from minus 5a square b. This will be right. Firstly, minus 5a square b from means minus, and we will give bracket 3a square b. So minus minus got plus, but the sign will have minus. So 5 plus 3, 8. A is common, so we will write a square b. Minus 8a square b is the right answer. Question number 10. That is, firstly we will write out 6pq. 6pq, and from means minus, and here minus 8pq. 6pq minus minus plus, and 8pq. When we add them, it will come 14pq is our answer. So question number 11, that is minus 2abc from minus 8abc. So firstly we will write the term of minus 8abc. Minus 8abc. From means minus, and in bracket we will write minus 2abc. So minus 8abc, it will minus minus plus 2abc. Minus plus minus, and the sign will of minus is also, because minus sign is later. Minus 6abc is our answer. Now let's move to the question number 12. So question number 12, that is minus 16p from minus 11p. So firstly we will write the term of minus 11p. Here is minus 11p. So minus 11p from means minus, and in bracket we will write minus 16p. So here minus 11p, minus minus we know that plus 16p. And here minus plus minus, but the sign of plus is later. So here it will plus, and we will subtract them. 16 minus 11, it will come 5p. So 5p is our right answer. Now let's move to the 13th question. So question number 13, that is 2a minus 5b plus 2c minus 9 from 3a minus 4b minus c plus 6. Firstly we will write the term of 3a. 3a minus 4b minus c plus 6. Here from means, we know that from means minus, and here 2a minus 5b plus 2c minus 9. And now 3a minus 4b minus c plus 6 minus plus minus 2a. Minus minus plus 5b minus plus minus 2c minus minus plus 9. And now we will bring them in a like term. So here is firstly 3a, and now we will also take of a. So here is minus 2a, and a value is in. Now we will take of b. So here minus 4b, and here is plus 5b, and here is minus c, here is minus 2c, here is plus 6, here is plus 9. Now we will solve them. So 3a minus 2a, Here it will be plus a because plus sign is greater. Minus plus minus, but the sign will of plus because plus sign is greater. Plus b. Minus c minus 2c. Minus minus plus, but the sign will of minus 3c. And here when we will add them, 6 plus 9 it will 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Plus 15. It means that a plus b minus 3c plus 15 is our answer. Now let's move to the question number 14. Now question number 14, that is minus 6p plus q plus 3r plus 8 from p minus 2q minus 5r minus 8. So we know that first we will write out p. The term of p. P minus 2q minus 5r minus 8. We know that from means minus and here we will give bracket minus 6p plus q plus 3r plus 8. Now let's solve them. Here is p minus 2q minus 5r minus 8. And here we know that minus minus plus 6p now. And here minus plus minus q. And here minus plus minus 3r. Here minus plus minus 8. And now we will bring them in a like term. Here is p. P and where is p? Here is plus 6p. P plus 6p. And here is q minus 2q. And here is minus q. Here is minus 5r. And here is minus 3r. And here is minus 8. Here is minus 8. Now solve them. P plus 6p means 7p. Minus minus plus, but the sign will of minus. When we add them 2q plus 3q, it will 3q. And here minus minus plus, but the sign will of minus 8r. And here minus minus plus, but the sign will of minus 8, 8, 16 is our answer. So we know that 7p minus 3q minus 8r minus 16 is our right answer. Question number 15, that is x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 4. From 3x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 4. Firstly, we will write the term of 3x cube. So here is 3x cube minus x square plus 2x and minus 4. From means minus and we will give the bracket x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 4. Now let's solve. 3x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 4. Minus plus minus, we know that clearly, and minus plus minus 3x square. Here minus minus plus 5x. And here minus plus minus 4. And firstly we will write the like term means 3x cube. Here is 3x cube and here is also minus x cube. And now we will write up x square. Here is minus x square. Here is minus 3x square. Here is plus 2x. Here is plus 5x. Here is minus 4. Here is also minus 4. Now we will solve them because they all are in like term. Plus minus minus, but the sign will of plus because plus sign is a greater. It means that plus minus minus means 2x cube minus minus plus, but the sign will of minus. It means 4x square plus x square means 4x square. Plus 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 minus minus. Sorry. Here 3x cube minus x cube means 2x cube. And here minus minus plus, but the sign of minus 4x square. And when we add them plus 2x plus 5x means plus 7x. And here minus minus plus, but the sign of minus 8 is our answer. It means that 2x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 8 is our answer. Now let's come to the 16 number question. So, question number 16. We have to first write this term 4y cube. 4y power 4 minus 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5 plus 5. And we know that from means minus 5y 4 minus 3y cube plus 2y square plus y minus 1. 4y power 4 minus 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5 plus 5 minus plus minus 5y cube of power 4 minus minus plus 3y cube minus plus minus 2y square minus plus minus y minus minus plus 1. Now we will write them in like term. 4y to the power 4 and here is minus 5y to the power 4. Here is minus 2y cube here and here is minus 3y plus 3y cube. Here is minus 6y square. Here is minus 2y square. Here is minus y. Here is minus 1. Here is plus 5 and here is plus 1. Now let's solve them. Plus minus minus and plus sign is greater, so we will write minus y to the power 4 minus plus minus but the sign of plus 5 cube minus minus plus but the sign of minus 6 and 7 8 y square minus minus plus but the sign of minus 2y and plus 6 is our answer. It means that minus y to the power 4 plus y cube minus 8y square minus 2y plus 6 is our answer. Question number 20. We will solve from here because from means minus. We have to subtract from 3b square to 4b square. So 3b square minus 4q square minus 5r square minus 6. And we know that from means minus and we will give a bracket 4p square plus 5q square minus 6r square plus 7. So let's solve it. 3p square minus 4q square minus 5r square minus 6. And we know that minus plus minus. So minus 4p square and we also know that minus plus minus means minus 5q square. Minus minus plus 6r square and minus plus minus 7. And now we will write them in like terms. So 3p square and there is also p square means minus 4p square. There is minus 4q square. There is minus 5q square. There is minus 5r square. There is plus 6r square. Here is minus 6. Here is minus 7. Now we have to solve them. Plus minus minus we will subtract them, so minus p square because minus sign is greater. Minus minus plus but the sign of minus 9 cube square. Minus plus minus but the sign of plus r square. Minus minus plus but the sign of minus 15 is our answer. It means that minus p square minus 9q square plus r square minus 15 is our answer. Here I have written 15 but they will not 15, they will 13 because when we will add them it will come 13. Question number 18. That is what must be subtracted from 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1 to get 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square plus 1. In previous question there was what must be subtracted from, but here is to get. So we will write from this term 3a square. 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1. Get means minus 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square plus 1. Now solve. 3 square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1 minus plus minus 4 square minus minus plus 7ab minus minus plus 4b square minus plus minus. Now we'll write in like term 3 square and here is minus 4 square. Here is minus 6ab, here is plus 7ab. And here is minus 3b square, here is plus 4b square. Here is minus 1, here is minus 1. Now solve it. Plus minus minus and 5. Minus sign is greater, so minus a square. Minus plus minus, put the sign of plus ab. Minus plus minus, put the sign of plus b square. Minus minus plus, put the sign of minus 2 is the answer. So minus a square plus ab plus 2b square minus 2 is the answer. Question number 19, that is the two adjacent sides of rectangle are 5x square minus 3y square and x square plus 2xy. Find the perimeter. We know that perimeter is equal to to 2 into L plus B. So here 2 into L plus B, length into width. So it is a length and it is a width. So 5x square minus 3y square and means plus x square plus 2xy. Here 2 and we will write in a like term 5x square and x square means 6x square minus 3y square and plus 2xy, and we will multiply them from bracket. So 2 into 6 is 6 to the 12x square and minus 2 3 is 6y square plus 2 to the 4xy is our answer. Now let's come to the question number 20. Question number 20, that is the perimeter of a triangle is 6p square minus 4p plus 9 and two of its sides are p square minus 2p plus 1 and 3p square minus 5p plus 3. Find the third side of a triangle. So perimeter of triangle is equal to perimeter of a triangle is given 6p square minus 4p plus 9 and two of its sides are given and we have to find the third side. So we can write this as it's a A and it's a B and we have to find the third means C side. So E is equal to p square minus 2p plus 1 and B is equal to 3p square minus 5p plus 3. Then C is equal to 1. So perimeter is equal to 6p square minus 4p plus 9 and A plus B plus C is equal to 6p square minus 4p plus 9. Now solve them. We will write A and B. So p square minus 2p plus 1 and here we write plus 3p square minus 5p plus 3 and we can write value C is equal to plus C is equal to perimeter value we will write 6p square minus 4p plus 9. Now we will solve them. Firstly we will write them in like terms. So p square plus 3p square is 4p square and minus 2p square minus 5p square is minus 7p and plus 1 plus 3 is plus 4 plus C is equal to 6p square minus 4p plus 9. C is equal to 6p square minus 4p plus 9 and when this plus will come here it will minus 4p square and when this minus will come it will plus 7p and when this plus will come it will minus. So C is equal to plus 6p square minus 6p square will 2p square because plus sign is greater, and minus 7p plus 7p will be plus 3p because plus sign is greater, and plus 9 minus 9 will plus 5. Therefore, C is equal to 2p square plus 3p plus 5 is our answer. This all are the exercise of question 6a. If you like my video, then please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.